Tornado warning. Kentucky. Severe thunderstorm warning. Illinois. Kentucky. Tornado warning. Kentucky. Wind advisory. Kentucky, Ohio. Wind advisory. Indiana, Kentucky, Ohio. Severe thunderstorm warning. Kentucky. Severe thunderstorm warning. Kentucky. Severe thunderstorm warning. Kentucky. Severe thunderstorm warning. Kentucky. Winter weather advisory. Kentucky. Special weather statement. Indiana, Kentucky. Severe thunderstorm warning. Kentucky.
Alrighty, well, seems things are starting to get a little spicy here in Kentucky. Uh, I got a few warnings, um, mainly down in South Central. Special weather statement. Oh, I need to turn that down. Starting to get a little spicy here in Kentucky. I got a few warnings. Yeah, don't need that. Special weather statement for Evansville, Indiana, Henderson, part of Owensboro. It's mainly for winds around 50 miles an hour. Nice little bow segment right in there. Let's see. And nothing really rotating. And maybe up in there. We don't have to worry about that though. Looks like the cold front storms are starting to catch up with the
Severe thunderstorm warning.
pre-front
Kentucky.
storms.
Tornado watch. Indiana. Kentucky.
Still definitely got some time before they get here. Which, I'm over here. There's those warnings. Eh, 60 mile an hour gusts. Oh wow, it's already 10 o'clock here. Did not realize that.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Kentucky. Tornado watch. Illinois. Kentucky.
And if you, all those little clicks you're hearing, those are, if you look, it's the bottom right corner of the screen. It's a real-time lightning display. The clicks are lightning strikes as they happen. Well, give or take a second or two. And the little rings that you see, that's the shock wave of the lightning strike, or in other words, the thunder ring. It's actually pretty accurate as far as the timing on the thunder. So if you're to see one of those dots pop up next to you and watch the screen, as that white ring passes by you, you'll start to hear the thunder. It's pretty cool. It's just a waiting game. Looks like Henderson's getting in on the mix now. The one good thing, I guess, is the storms are moving pretty quick. So once the initial wave goes through, which one was first? They're still both about the same.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Kentucky.
It's got to be those they're talking about. There's what, 3 of them there? Yeah, 2 of them. Okay, so the big box is the hour warning. Smaller boxes are, that's a nice little sill there. And yes, the sweep actually does work. You can see it change as it goes by. That's pretty neat. I like that feature. Still well outside of Louisville. You can probably see them from there. Oh well. This is back behind the storm. You should be able to see them from Leachfield. At least some flashes anyway. Yeah, there they are. So they're coming. But we're under a tornado watch until 3 a.m., I believe. And I think they'll be here a little bit before that. Probably in the Lexington area. 12, maybe 1 o'clock. We're just getting to the area around that time. Although,
severe thunderstorm warning. Indiana. Kentucky.
how rude. Once they get close, probably within about 40 miles of Lexington, I'll probably cut the stream off or just let it run on its own. I'll be going out trying to get some video of whatever's coming in. Probably not going to be much if everything holds typical to the way it is around here. Looks good on the way in. By the time it gets here, it's pretty much died out. Like the other day. Well, a couple days ago. Yeah, it looked really good. Dropped those tornadoes up in Illinois and in Indiana. By the time it got here, it was nothing. I think it might have rained for about 5 minutes, if that. And as I was saying on an earlier, I think it was the test stream, because went live with Mike over in Missouri. He was over there chasing, and had a tornado warning pop up right on it, right where he was. Things were looking cool. Didn't really do anything. I mean, yeah, there's a nice shelf cloud and had some rotation there, but it was just when this thing was getting going. And about for the whole hour that we were live, had his stream going in a window. No audio was recorded. It's like, what? So that kind of had me playing around with this until now. And apparently it's working, so it's all good. And I see there's 2 people on there. Cool. Well, hello. And welcome to my stream. Now, um, yeah, I don't even know what I was gonna say, but yeah, if you're expecting something exciting like the Max or Ryan or something like that, yeah, I don't do that. I mean, they're cool and all. Well, I do have some gripes about some things, but hey, to each their own. Um, Pretty much, I just do this for the Lexington area. Um, yeah. Yeah, looks like there's some lightning creeping towards Louisville, up near Brandenburg. The lightning rate, let me pull it up here somewhere. We're about 63 strikes per minute over this whole area. Could zoom in, get a more accurate. So from the land between the lakes to about Madisonville, Hopkinsville, I'm doing about 30 strikes per minute. But yeah, it must be pretty cool down in there listening to all that thunder. Because where all those waves combine, it's just constant rumbles of thunder, which is pretty cool. But if you go way out, I mean, I know it's kind of tiny down in there, but yeah, just the sheer amount of lightning is impressive. We're up to 280 strikes per minute across the whole swath of that storm and what's over in the Atlantic there. There's quite a bit of storms out in the Atlantic. I think I could turn radar on here. Rain radar, we can turn that on. Give you an idea. And this back here, yeah, that's the dangerous S word. And I'm not going to say because I don't want any. It is going to get cold though, so I think zoom back in here up to our area. Let's see. Turn on some temperatures here. Yeah, see, it's already cooling down here in Lexington. It's down in 67, still in the 70s around Louisville. 60s and 50s right under the storm. And as you go back to the west, instantly starts dropping. A couple hours ago, well, this afternoon in St. Louis, it was like it is here. And now it's 36 degrees, and Mike was saying it was spitting snow. Oh, damn it, I said it. Yeah, we don't want that. No snow. And I said it again. Don't really see anything too concerning about the line so far. I mean, it's gonna have winds, that's for sure. Anywhere from 50 to 70 miles an hour. Let's see. severe warning for. I'm not interested in Indiana right now, but I mean, may as well. That was at 9:08, so it was about not too long ago. 70-mile-an-hour winds. Moving northeast at 70 miles an hour. Wow, that one's booking it. That would be, get my bearings again. Evansville, Henderson, yeah, that's these storms here. It kind of, we expect the warnings up in here where it's kind of bowing out some. Yeah, I can play on here. You can go and, I could draw lines, yay. Let's see, we'll go with something it's not using yet. But you'll have your stronger winds right there. If there were going to be any spin ups, they'd probably be like here. Anywhere there's a little kink in the line. Yeah, like maybe here. Maybe here. Move this thing out of the way. If these were stronger, you can probably throw one here, here. Definitely one reason this is warned, because you got another bow segment right there. And of course all this is moving that way. And cool thing, kind of got a little, almost want to say, wants to be a little supercell right there. But it's staying out ahead of everything else. If it could stay there, that, you know, it's in the right spot to keep going. But if this stuff back in here catches up to it, then it's just gonna eat it right up.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Kentucky.
Yep, they just for Davies, Muhlenberg, Christian County, McLean County, Hopkins County, and Webster County. Northeast at 55, 60-mile-an-hour gusts. So, yep, I think the tornado threat's going down and the wind threat is kind of going up a little. Can still get spin ups. I would think your tornado threat would be more with these ones out in front. Yeah, back years and years and years ago, I forgot how many years it is. We had the Masterson Station tornado, and yeah, really, that one came out of nowhere. If you look at it from the perspective of the National Weather Service. Now, I'm not bashing them. They know what they're doing. You know, they're typically right on, but this one low top supercell. It was kind of a similar setup to this, where you had the line of storms. Since that's doing that over there, I'll come over here and I could draw. Be a little entertaining, like my crayons. Get rid of the meters. There we go. So we had a line of storms that was roughly about here. And moving pretty much the same motion as this. They were going that way. And again, like this one, had all these individual little thunderstorms. Did they just cancel the watch? No, they didn't. Okay, never mind. Just refreshed. Had all these little cells out ahead of it. And as the line came into Lexington, there was a cell that came up from about here. And it merged.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Kentucky.
As the line was going this way, the cell merged into it and had its own little spin to it. And it spun up a tornado like out of nowhere as it merged, and it basically cut across that part of Lexington. I was actually out chasing, well, not really chasing that storm, I was spotting at the time, and I was, let's see, Minowar, I was roughly about, don't do that, about here. I did get a picture of it. Got hit with, I want to say, good 70 to 80 mile an hour winds. I'm guessing it was RFD. It's pretty impressive. But the National Weather Service never issued a warning on it. We had a severe thunderstorm warning, but not a tornado warning. Because with their radar being way over here, and this thing forming way over here, if you look, gotta stop drawing, unlock it. Okay, the center cursor there, that number that's right below no data, because there's nothing there to read. The radar is 6,000 feet above the ground at that point. As you get closer, you can see the number goes down. So it's looking higher up in the air column, and it just didn't see the low-level rotation that spun that up. The Channel 18 chief meteorologist,
Severe thunderstorm warning. Kentucky.
Mr. Bill Mack, he saw it on their station radar, because they have their own radar at the station there, and he saw it and started telling people about it. And by the time the National Weather Service went and issued a warning on it, the tornado was already done and over with for like 10 minutes. So it was like a super big fail. Luckily, nobody died. I don't even think anybody got injured. Hit a bunch of brand new houses up in Masterson Station. It was an EF3, I want to say. I'd have to look it back up again, but it was either high-end EF2, EF3. And, yeah, did substantial amount of damage. A lot of people were actually on vacation when it hit. And the houses that were pretty well messed up, nobody was there. And this is probably about 9, 10 at night. So, I mean, we got lucky there. I think it was back in the 80s. There was a tornado that formed. Let's see, that's a tornado that formed about here and went that way. Ended about there. I wasn't here for that, so. And there's been several other tornadoes in the past. Just a year or so ago, there was a tornado that formed here and went that way. And then I think it was last year, one was here and went that way. Or no, wait. Yeah. This one, I marked that wrong. It was actually about here. So, I mean, if you're in this area and you're like, oh, tornadoes never hit here. Yeah, they do. They do, and they will. It's just a matter of luck that, well, we haven't been hit yet. Recently, by a big one. That might change this year. I just have a feeling we're going to get something significant this year, I believe. Just judging by the way things are looking.
Wind advisory. Kentucky, Ohio,
I mean, we just
Virginia, West Virginia.
We just started severe season, and it's, already cranking them out. Yeah, something's going on with that cell. I don't know what. That's not rotation, is it? Oh, yeah, it is. Okay. Definitely got supercell there. It's got some broad rotation. I don't know why it's showing up those colors. What's green and blue? That's different. I don't know. But on so yeah, green is towards, red is away. So you got your unlock that. Radar sights there. So you got your cross beam this way. That's your cross beam. I think I got that right. No. Yeah. Cross beams like that. So yeah, that's about right. Yeah, so you got this stuff going that way, and this stuff going that way. Would not be surprised if they throw a tornado warning on that one here pretty soon. Something I've seen posted in places, for those of you that like to watch radar and know a little bit about storms and at least how to read basic radar. Please do not call the National Weather Service and tell them to look at certain storms or certain areas because you see something on radar. Don't do it. Because 99% of the time they've seen it already. They've seen it before you did, and they know what they're looking at. If it's not warned at the time, it probably means that it wasn't up to their standards of issuing a warning, be it a tornado warning. By calling them and kind of harassing them, you're just wasting their time and distracting them from what they really need to be doing. Yeah, something's going on there. That's getting interesting. Right in here. So Rochester. We got a visitor, do we? Is that you, Mike? Maybe. I don't know. Let me look and see. I got too much stuff on my screen. Oh, of course, Discord's not there. Let me pop that up real quick. No, I guess not. Somebody was there. Anywho, back to what I was saying. Yeah, if you're in the Rochester, close that out. Storm track. They did issue a warning on it. So if you're in this area, 31 seems a little slow, but we'll go with that. It'll be in Caneyville in 54 minutes. If you're in that area of Kentucky, just to the southeast of Central City, you maybe want to be paying attention to the weather right now. Maybe go ahead and, just to be on the safe side, get into some shelter. Because I mean,
severe thunderstorm warning, Kentucky.
Because yeah, that's definitely rotating there. This one looks like it's trying to do it as well. They might even have something right in there. And no, I don't want to do that. How do I get rid of the warnings? Yeah. And that will eventually be heading to Elizabethtown, Taylorsville, Lawrenceburg. Looks like it's going to miss me by a little bit. There's stuff on correlation, but I don't know. Not too sure. Actually get a better look at it. Is that closer to? It's closer here. Let's see what it looks like on this radar. Ooh, yeah. Maybe. Yeah, they're probably watching that one really close. Let's see what they say about it. 60-mile-an-hour winds. That was issued at 9:23, so that was... Oh, that one's been out for a little while. Wow, look at that. Tornado warning for Christian County and Todd County. Yeah, so if you're in Guthrie or Elkton, yeah, get to shelter.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Indiana. Kentucky. Tornado warning. Kentucky.
That would probably be that one. So I think that's the only tornado warning we got in Kentucky right now. Yep. These are almost twin cells. That's cool. Now this one doesn't have rotation. This one does, for sure. Might have something in here. That's close to the radar though, so it's going to be hard to tell. Let's see, go back.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Kentucky. Severe thunderstorm warning. Indiana. Kentucky.
So it's my thinking, which never really said was all that great, but pretty much all this stuff here, that's going to be your wind threat, obviously. Anything that forms up out ahead of it, like out in here, will be your marginal tornado threat. I'm not saying it will happen, but it could. See, radar's about to update here in a minute. Here it comes. And you see its change. Yeah, it's still kind of got a spin going to it there. And like I said, by the time it gets all the way up here to Lexington, it's just going to be a couple rumbles of thunder, a gust of wind, a few raindrops, and it'll be done. I think it was somebody asked a question the other day in one of the tornado Reddit groups I'm in, about what's it going to be like tornado-wise in Louisville. And, I mean, really the only answer I could come up with was, well, this was, I think, while it was still as a day 3 discussion. I was like, well, it's this time of year, it's going to be a make sure you tie down your trampoline event. Because even if we don't get tornadoes, even if the storms don't produce the 60, 70 mile an hour winds like they said they could, we still have 30 to 45-mile-an-hour straight line wind, or not straight line, but just winds in general going on.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Kentucky.
That's pretty much been the case for, like the past week. Been under several wind advisories. Yeah, that thing's wanting to get its act together. I mean, just on reflectivity, you can see it. It's pulling in. Pulling in all its fuel. I mean, it's cool when they take on this shape. So you switch it over to... Oh, yeah, there we go. Oops, didn't mean to draw that. Definitely interesting. And with this cell, I mean, you can see it's got rotation. When you go to reflectivity, you can actually see it in the heavier bands of rain. Oops. That would be cool if it makes it to me. Oh, here comes another update. Looks like they're starting to blanket warn for it, because now you've got 3 large severe thunderstorm warnings across the state. And this might be interesting because Leachfield is right kind of in its way. Ooh, that was nice. Guess I turned that on at the perfect time. Okay, yeah, see, this is looking right towards that storm. And watch right in here. Looks for sure like a wall cloud at least. That was another nice one. Watch right up under this. Like right in there. Get a strike behind it. There's some heavy rain off to the side there. Yeah, there's a wall cloud there. Almost guarantee it. Now, yeah, this camera's right here, looking straight down into it. I don't want to leave this camera on for too long because that's it, come on. Yeah, there's a low wearing there. So that part of the storm you're seeing, the lowering is probably right in there. And that rain, that heavy rain you see back behind it is probably this sticking out. Interesting. Rotation's weakening. Alright, let's check some other parts of the line. Owensboro's getting hammered pretty good. Utica. It wanted to spin up. It started to spin up, but, well. And look at the altitude. Most of that real heavy stuff is below 2,300 feet. Or no. Yeah, I don't know what I'm looking at. Yeah, I really do, but that was brain fart.
Tornado warning. Kentucky.
Oh, yeah, you can pan that. Wait a minute. Yeah, that's why. Okay. Not 100 feet, 1,000 feet. So they're under 22,000 feet with the tops getting roughly 43,000 feet, maybe. So yeah, that's the side profile of the storm, cutting it through the center. Can do
Tornado warning.
Velocity as well.
Kentucky.
That's not as good in this mode. I do have GR Analyst, which does a whole much better job at reading that. Or depicting it, I should say, because it's just taking the data that's there and presenting it differently. Now let's check that camera again. It should be over here now. Yep, there it is. Yeah, right in there. Oh, I'm seeing that back there. What is that? Hard to see with these cameras. That's just scud. But yeah, there's a wall cloud right there. Still hanging on. I'm surprised Mike hasn't come back yet. Just had to message him.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Kentucky.
Yeah, feel free to join me on Discord. You'll be on the stream as well, I believe. And we can talk about stuff. Because I'm just sitting here talking to myself.
Tornado warning. Kentucky.
Bam, there it is. I called it. Yeah. Okay, so let's pull this up. Northwestern Hart County, Northern Butler County, Grayson County, Southwestern Hardin County, Southeastern Ohio County, Northwestern Edmonson County until 11:45. Storm capable of producing tornado near Morgantown, moving northeast at 75. Wow, that thing is booking it. And it's radar indicated rotation. Be around Leachfield around 10:10 Central, Elizabethtown around 11:30 Central. Yep, told you. I called that one. That is a long warning. Well, it is moving 70 miles an hour. Let's pull that camera up again. I think it's about to move out of frame. I think it's right there. See? I know what I'm talking about. For sure. What? It says OBS has crashed. But it hasn't. I'm not going to mess with it because I still see the stream going. Well, that's not good at all. I don't like when that happens. That don't need to happen now. Okay, so yeah, this is a tornado warned storm. I would say any one of these, mainly this one.
Hello.
Yo.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
Welcome
Indiana.
to the stream.
Kentucky.
So what kind of shenanigans do you have up there? Let me pull the radar up real quick.
Go to the Louisville radar and look down towards Leachfield, just north of Bowling Green. Tornado warning just issued. Go on the stream and roll it back about 10 minutes and watch it. I called it. I was sitting there watching it, and you can see the rotation start picking up in the reflectivity. It just started swirling, and it just had a severe warning on it at the time. And I'm like, that's getting ready to do something. I was like, I wouldn't be surprised to see a warning come out on that here pretty soon.
Oh
And
yeah, you're right above Bowling Green.
yep, right at 165 and
Yep,
62.
right before Litchfield.
Yep. And if you got weather-wise, there's a camera in Leachfield. That's
I'm already on it.
yeah. I was watching the wall cloud. I was looking at that, and in the flashes of lightning, I could see the lowering back there. I'm like, man, that looks like a wall cloud.
Yeah.
And it's nice to know I still got it after all winter long.
No shit. Cool. Okay. That's how you do that. I was trying to figure out how you do the traffic camera. I don't know.
Oh yeah, you gotta in weather-wise, you gotta turn the hazard cams on. Then you get the little.
Oh, not the
Tornado
traffic
warning.
cameras, the hazard cameras.
Kentucky.
Okay. Ah.
Yeah, and now my OBS is saying that it's crashed. But I think I'm still.
Little what?
Yeah, I'm still live because I've got my tablet going, watching, monitoring the stream, and it's still going. So but yeah, for YouTube Studio, it says I've got one concurrent viewer, which is me. But it's had 9 views so far, so. But yeah, I mean, those things, it still looks like it's wrapping up.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to look at that again.
Tornado watch.
I see. I can't. I'm looking
Indiana.
at what the
Kentucky.
cam one.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Kentucky. Severe thunderstorm warning. Indiana.
Oh, somebody's
Kentucky.
adjusting the camera because they just panned out. Whoever
On
is
what
doing that,
camera?
thank you.
The I-65. Is that what it is?
No, it's a hazard. It's a hazcam. It looks like a little space station icon on WeatherWise.
And that one. See, I don't see one close by Bowling Green though.
No, it's right at Litchfield.
Oh, Litchfield. Okay.
It's looking right into the storm.
Oh, whoa, that's cool. Okay.
I think I just lost the live. Hang on. Or the live stream. Yeah, I think it just went offline.
Tornado warning. Kentucky.
Alright, tornado warning for Kentucky. That's another one. Just to the south of the other warning.
Yep.
For Logan County, Hart County, Butler County, Grayson County, Warren County, and Edmonton County until 10:45. Dude, these things are booking it. I'm kind of glad I didn't go after them as a nighttime thing. These tornado warned storms are moving northeast at 70 to 75 miles an hour.
Oh, so they progressed really quick once they went past me.
Oh yeah. And what's going on is you've got a prefrontal line of convection, and that's merging with the line that's on the front. So the line of storms.
Tornado warning. Kentucky.
Oh, that's Indiana.
Yep, that's Indiana. I see which one you're talking about.
Wow, that looks like a face. Looks like the side profile of a face.
The hazard camera in Louisville, Kentucky doesn't look like much.
Yeah, no, it's not going to see anything yet.
Ooh, that's cool. You got some lower range back in there at Litchfield.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's really talking out there.
Might be having. That might be doing something now. Yeah, the old wall cloud would be up there. Looks like it's forming another one near Caryville. Actually, no, I think we might have a tornado on the ground. There's a complete dropout of the correlation.
Hey, you want to try to get your live back up?
My live is up.
Oh, I thought it dropped.
OBS said it has an error. It crashed, but it's still there, so my stream is still going. The live I was talking about was the Leachfield cam, because I don't have a live feed on it. But then again, there's also...
I have, yeah. Whoa, this could be something underground out there.
Might be 3 of them. 2 of them. Just north of Caneyville.
Let's go back here. Yes, you get this field on a tornado warning.
And it's right
And
where
you
that
get
whole thing...
Brownsville.
If you...
Brownsville is a tornado warning.
I think the tornado warning
Right
to the
up there.
south near Bowling Green is probably just for straight line winds. This other one up here,
I'm thinking.
that's a maturing supercell. And right there in
That
the
one
hook,
looks better.
right there in the hook, right next to Caneyville, there's a CC drop. A very significant CC drop. It would have just crossed, I guess that's State Road 79 north. That's headed in my direction. Actually, that is heading straight for me.
Damn. Nice. You might wind up with something decent out of that.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the lightning. I don't think... I shouldn't be overtaxing my system. I mean, it's a butt-kicking system. But yeah, if anybody's watching, which I don't think there are now, but anyway, yeah, if you're in the anywhere, oh yeah, that's rolling up. Anywhere from Leachfield south to
Severe
Bowling Green.
thunderstorm warning. Kentucky.
Might want to go ahead and head into shelter for now, because that's that one's not nothing to play with. It looks like. And it's still kind of showing rotation. It's broadened out a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, there had to have been a tornado that touched down there.
I mean, the CC drop, yeah, it's.
I'm actually going to go and do a playback on that. Because that's.
Interesting.
Let's see, here it comes. I don't see it now. Let me. Huh, that's odd. Oh no, there it is. I'm just zoomed out too far. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. There had to have been something that either was really close to touching down, or it did.
Well, I mean, with the CC, it picks up things that would be debris, odd-shaped objects in the air, and it was there for 3 scans and moved with each scan. So there was nothing there. It popped in. Was there a second scan? Got bigger. Third scan, it was a little bit smaller. Scan after that, it was gone. So that's a matter of just like 2 or 3 minutes. And that's the name of the game with these ones, you know. They're there, you know, it's nothing, and then poof, there it is, and then poof, it's gone.
Yep.
It's almost into Leachfield now. Okay, I've got the camera back. There's almost 800 people watching this camera.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Kentucky.
Yeah, the lowering's still there. Or there's another one. It's just going to be right. Yep. Wall cloud. Another one.
And what, Litchfield?
Yep. It's to the right-hand side of the screen. Just over the top of a big, bright light.
Yep, I see it. Oh, I see it. Oh, yeah, there it is.
My feed just dropped again. Well, my camera feed just dropped again. Yeah,
Gotcha.
I hope
We
this.
record this. Watch. I'll record this on my phone, and then send you a recording of the
Tornado warning. Kentucky.
Yeah, it's about 2 hours out. I think they just updated the tornado warning. Yep, just about a minute ago. Phew. At 10:11 Central, thunderstorm capable of producing tornado located near Leachfield, moving northeast at 75 miles an hour.
She's booking.
Oh yeah. She's cooking with burrito gas.
Yeah, it is.
See, and that would have been my secondary location to set up at, was going to be Leachfield. Or either Leachfield or Elizabethtown.
Yeah, but this race is so fast. You would literally have to go over the speed limit to keep up with that.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Indiana. Kentucky.
I don't know. It's not a highway, but it's... I don't know. I think the speed limit out there is 75. And on the interstate, it's 75.
Damn, y'all are lucky. Out where I'm at, it's like 60 and 70. They call it Highway 70, and it's 65. But then there's spots that are 70.
And
Like you're going to be 70 from freaking Winslow to O'Fallon, and then from O'Fallon to St. Peter's to St. Charles, it's 60.
if I'm not mistaken, there's some parts that are 80.
Yeah, I just go to the Autobahn. There's no speed limit on there.
Tornado warning.
Yeah, but you also need a
Kentucky.
passport.
Look at that lowering in the center.
Let me fire it up.
Lightning. More lightning. I need to see that again.
No, I've got a dead cam. Oh wait, there it is. It just came back up.
Right now, what I'm doing
Oh, yeah.
is I am videoing. I'm taking a screen record to send to you.
Yeah, I'm seeing it now. Let me move that over here.
Yep.
Uh,
Ooh, that's cool.
it's looking that way. So yeah, the main part of it is actually right on the edge of the warning, which would be just the very right edge of the camera's view. What that's looking at is that kink that's farther down near Caneyville.
Yep.
So there's lowering on that one too, and that's in the same warning. Yeah, there's something back there.
It's hard to see it right now, but I mean, I can see it lowering. You
See,
can see the left edge of it.
yeah, whoever's running the camera has seen it, saw what I just saw, because they just pointed the camera right at it.
Yeah.
And now, oh, it just died again. I don't know. Since I don't stream very much, I mean, can you get in trouble on YouTube for using a camera?
I use traffic cameras all the time on my YouTube. I never get no strikes.
Okay. Well, I mean, I'm not
I
leaving.
got traffic cameras of the tornado crossing over the highway in Cape Girardeau, and it's still on YouTube, no strikes.
Well, that's traffic cameras. That's government stuff, so it's kind of fair use. What is
Oh, the
that?
hazmat camera.
Yeah, the
That
has
might
cams.
be why, and y'all bot might be kicking it back.
Oh, don't get me started on that. They just issued a blanket thunderstorm warning with possible tornado. Let's see. The list includes
Oh,
severe thunderstorm warning for Nelson County, Meade County, LaRue County, Hart County, Butler County, Grayson County, Warren County, Bullitt County, Breckenridge County, Hardin County, and Edmonson County until midnight Central Time.
what happened to your AI voice?
It's still in there. Or did I close it?
No, I said your AI voice. You're supposed to be the
Severe
announcer sounding like
thunderstorm
the
warning.
AI guy.
Kentucky.
Oh, I thought you were talking about that.
No, I was talking about you.
I don't have an AI voice. I ain't that good. I mean, it's a good voice for radio, but it's not. Yeah, no. Yeah, I don't do the whole AI thing. But that, you know, it's 70 miles an hour. Let me do this here. Let's see. Measure. Okay, I'll do it from the very nose of this freaking storm. At 70 miles an hour, it will be here in a hair over an hour. It's 90.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
Eh,
Kentucky.
it's 101.8 miles away. Damn, that's 100 miles? Wow. The edge of the warning is 78 miles away. So
Yeah, but that storm comes through, it only lasts maybe 20 minutes.
See, 50, 60, 70, 75. Where you at? There you are.
Oh,
75.
there's a big lowering over there. Oh, no, the camera might touch the rain droplets. Looks like the camera is getting ready to get covered in rain. This camera would be no good pretty soon.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Indiana. Kentucky. Severe thunderstorm warning. Kentucky.
There's over 1,000 people watching that camera. That's why it's going funky. It's got to be getting ready to drop something. Look at that lightning.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
That lightning's picked up a lot in the past couple of minutes.
Oh, hey, I've had 2 concurrent viewers. You watching?
No, I don't think so. No.
Oh, hey.
I'm just on Discord.
Okay.
And
Well,
I'm
whoever.
videoing the traffic camera.
All right, I think your voice is coming through on this. Let me see. Go ahead and say something. Oh, yeah, you're
Watching
on there.
that traffic camera right now.
Yeah, you're coming through.
Litchfield, Kentucky. And if anybody doesn't know me, my name is Michael Pease, Extreme Tornado Hunters.
Hi, my name's Michael Peace, and this is Jackass.
I mean, chasing storms is technically the same concept to a point. I mean, we're all crazy.
True. Now, it's kind of earlier.
There's got to be something in there. Hold on. There's got to be something back in there. Look at that. I don't know if you've had that camera pulled up, but I do. And I'm still recording it on my screen, but
I'm about to pull it up now.
There's got to be something in there, dude. According to the radar, it's still showing rotation, but the lightning's picked up, the precipitation's picked up.
Yeah, it's about to overtake the camera now. It should be like right on top of it.
Uh-huh. Oh, we lost the camera. Hold on.
Yeah. There's 1,110 people looking at this camera right now.
Yep. 29 mile an hour, 31 mile an hour winds.
New tornado warning.
Camera's back.
New tornado warning. Nelson, Meade, Grayson, Bullitt, Breckenridge, and Hardin County until 11 p.m.
Yep, I see that up north.
8 miles north of Leachfield, moving northeast at 50, so it slowed down.
It could be on the ground hitting stuff, which is why it could be possibly slowing down.
Yeah.
But I don't know because the radar's not giving me that clear, that classic image right now.
Yeah, it's getting close to the
Tornado
the
warning.
radar hole.
Yeah.
Kentucky.
That's what's throwing it off, where I can't get that clear image of, okay, it's on the ground, or okay, it's close.
I'm switching to HPX.
Okay, it just overtook that camera. Everything's blinded in rain. The wind is now 47 miles an hour. Wind is now 67 miles an hour. That wind has just ramped up really quick, about double for what it is. And now it's back down to 47.
Ooh, another tornado warning. No.
You just gotta be. This thing is. It's either a tornado close by this or something.
Yeah, this is starting to get into my neck of the woods now.
This looks interesting.
Because it's almost
68 miles an hour. And that was a 68 mile an hour wind.
Yeah, lightning's increased too. On the...
The camera just went down.
Yeah, the storm just swallowed it.
Yeah.
Where's...
The wind's still popping up. The moisture's now at 75%. Was at 50 something. Wind's down to 49. Oh, back up to 57. And the wind outside of my area just definitely ramped up. Let's see, what's that say?
Yeah, I'm not getting...
I'm sitting at a 25 mile an hour sustained wind gust right here in O'Fallon, Missouri. Oh, camera's back up and it looks like...
I just clicked off it.
Interesting. Whoa.
There, whoa, hello. Wow. You can really feel
that camera?
it. Yeah. You can really feel it with a telephoto lens. I couldn't resist. Looks like they got some power outages out there too.
Yeah. I think something is in the ground. I think something touched down over there. Maybe a brief little spin up, but that was wicked for a second, man.
It's back up over severe. 58 miles an hour.
It's 52 right this second.
And we just lost it.
And it was 68 degrees. Now it's 59. It's dropping really, really crazy. Now we're at 63 miles an hour.
Just think, this thing's about an hour away from me. If it can just hold together.
41 miles an hour. And we're at 56. It's dropped. The temperature right here is dropping real quick.
Well, do you still got the camera up?
Yep.
No, I don't. It's not. It's not updating.
It's
Nothing
insane.
is. Oh wait, just came back up.
That camera is wild. You can see the camera moving.
Yeah. Yeah, because the camera went out and it was like 60 something or whatever the temperature was before, and then it went out and it comes back.
Lights are on again.
Yeah. Some of them aren't. There's some back in the background, just right of center, that are no longer lit.
And that's kind of where we were seeing that rotation. I took a screenshot a minute ago. I'm going to have to go back through and look at the screenshot.
Oh, no, lights are back on.
Yeah, I've seen the lights come back on. Yeah, all the lights came back on now. They just flickered again, though.
Severe thunderstorm
they went
warning.
out probably for the wind.
Indiana. Kentucky.
And if it wasn't the wind,
severe thunderstorm
it would have
warning.
been
Kentucky.
probably a spin up because
I
I
could
took a
say
screenshot
one
and I could
thing.
have swore I seen something in there.
Okay, remember when you first got on and we're pulling the camera up, I said look back there, the really bright light on the, I think I said on the horizon off to the left or to the right of the screen?
Yeah.
That's not there no more. There's
No,
no
it's not.
bright light back there. Well, there's a raindrop blocking it now, but
But this is what I pulled up. It looked that's a screenshot I took, and that's on your messenger. But it really looks like that something was there, and that's just the way the
uh-oh.
camera looks.
Mesoscale discussion for me. I'm going to go under the watch. I already know it. Areas affecting eastern Indiana, western Ohio, northern Kentucky concerning severe potential. Watch likely. Probability 80%. New watch will likely be issued from eastern Indiana, western Ohio into northern Kentucky. Strongly forced QLCS is advancing steadily east across Indiana, western Kentucky. Response progressive short wave. Blah 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 blah. Boundary layer moisture is a bit scant downstream. Dew point struggling to rise through the upper 40s near 50. That sucks. Warm layer near 3 kilometers suppressing prefrontal convection. The time cooling and moistening profiles remove this warm layer and weak buoyancy will develop just prior to the frontal passage. Ooh, yeah. Adequate for the maintenance and eastward propagation of this linear MCS, while a tornado or two cannot be ruled out. Due to very strong shear, storm mode, and weak buoyancy suggest damaging winds are primary concerns. Let's see. I need to copy that.
So the radar indicated tornado, the hail .75, that expires in 14 minutes. And there's multiple radar indicated tornadoes out there.
Yeah.
So you might have had something out there, bud. I think that screenshot I sent you, I think that could have been that tornado. Ooh, Leachfield has that bow echo.
Yep.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
With Bowling Green to
Kentucky.
Brownsville has a bow echo.
Let's see.
Yeah. Elizabethton, and then the other one, they both look like pretty good with the H-O-2Z significant tornado perimeter. Why the hell does it keep muting on me?
I don't know. Let's see. It might be under. Nope, it's not in that. It's in here. Screenshot. Save. Yeah, I might be wanting to get ready to get mobile here soon. Let me text Heather. I mean, well, shit. Yeah, she won't care.
Tornado warning. Kentucky.
Alrighty. Phone's at 100%. I'm not ready in the least. I should have went out to the car earlier and tested out the new equipment and got it all situated, but I didn't. Yeah, nothing really going on in Louisville. I don't know. I still kind of have a feeling it's gonna crap out as it's getting here.
Hey, an interesting thing. A Indiana police officer drove into a shed that was blowing across the highway, one of those little metal sheds in somebody's house. And he put his car inside of it to stop the shed from blowing into oncoming traffic.
Oh wow, look at all the little curls on that thing.
Oh, yeah.
From Brandenburg straight down.
It's the storm means business.
Yeah, on the stream, I'm gonna kind of draw them out so people can see if there's anybody actually paying attention to my measly little thing. You got one here.
I'll share it.
You got one there. You got one there. Kinda got one here. You got a big hook right there. And then from there, it turns into a bow. And we already know that at least this section here has at least 60-mile-an-hour winds with it. Fort Knox is under a tornado warning.
60 miles an hour. I was just looking at that one in Mitchfield a minute ago that had over 69 miles an hour. I mean, 68. I think it got up to 69.
I didn't see it when it was up that high because the camera was dead at that point.
I got a video of it.
Cool.
My camera wasn't dead. My camera never died.
That was great, though. You could really feel it through a telephoto lens.
We're in the bear cage.
He's not talking about Billy, is he? Oh, let's see. But yeah, it was cool earlier. I think you might have been on at the time. That before it moved into Leachfield, whatever the hell it's called. part of it took on like the side profile of a lady's face.
Oh yeah, I was on at that time.
Okay. Good.
I'm always here. Even if you don't see me, I'm still here.
Now watch when they go and issue this next tornado watch. It's going to be Georgetown, Paris, Cynthiana, Carlisle. They're going to leave Lexington out. Watch. Either that or they'll
Of
cut
course
it.
they will.
Either that or the watch will extend down to Chesapeake County, come up southern Fayette County and Clark County. Okay, I'm going to do a thing where when this line gets to Shelbyville, from Shelbyville to, say, Springfield, so straight up and down line there, when it gets to that point, I'll zoom in the radar and just leave it on automatic, I guess. You're more than welcome to take over the stream and do some talking about stuff. I could just leave my Discord on and do I
I
want
can
to?
in just a minute. I might have to call this chick in a second because she wants to speak to me. It's a new girl.
Oh boy. Weather comes first, man. And I know your answer, but it's not. It's not my weather.
It's not my answer, asshole.
Ain't my weather. I don't care.
No,
Nah.
because you guide me through the storm, so I can
Well, I mean,
postpone future women.
dude, I wouldn't ask that. I'm not that bad. I mean, if anything, no, that wouldn't work. I was gonna say, if anything, I could just switch my phone over to Discord and hop on there, but it would disconnect it here, so it wouldn't be heard on the stream. So.
Oh no, I'll still hop back and forth. I won't put the Discord on the computer.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chasers in Louisville. 1 chaser in Lexington. Who is that? That would be Matthew. I don't know him. Two Matthews. Another tornado warning.
Holy macaroni. I got a 16-minute video of the of that camera.
Oh, cool.
So you got 16 minutes of that live camera.
So yeah, this one just came out.
So what I'm gonna do is go over here. Let's do it. Edit so I can crop that camera down to just that camera.
All right, tornado warning for Nelson, LaRue, northwestern Marion, Hart, Washington, and Hardin County till 12:30. 8 miles west of Elizabethtown.
I'll just talk to her tomorrow and says, hey, just talk to me tomorrow. Do your work. Okay. Dude, I like this chick.
It's 8 miles west of Elizabethtown to 14 miles east of Leachfield to 7 miles west of Munfordville, moving northeast at 65.
Hey, to say a funny, Not to change the subject, but I still hope she's not like all the other ones.
We'll ask about uncles and cousins and.
No, thank you.
Well, no, you see, you need to ask about that first.
Tornado warning.
Just saying.
Kentucky.
Holy shit.
Okay, where'd the watches go?
Oh, that's cool. So when I am on the phone with Discord for you and I do a audio record,
it's on there.
It picks up every single thing, my voice and your voice.
Louisville just went under a tornado warning.
Cooking with burrito
Harrison,
gas.
Meade, Jefferson, Western Bullet, North Central Hardin, till 12:15. Severe thunderstorm located 11 miles south of Brandenburg, moving northeast to 65. This is a destructive storm for Fort Knox and Metro Louisville. 80-mile-an-hour wind gust.
You're gonna have some fun.
You know what?
Severe thunderstorm
Holy
warning.
shit, it's windy
Indiana.
out there.
Kentucky. Tornado warning. Kentucky.
I'm going to have to post that one. I'll switch over to my normal account to do that. Alright, back over to my Skywarn account.
Yeah, I like this. This is a very good video that I got.
Cool.
Oh, you can see the clouds in it, dude. You gotta study this video, and you can really see there's different structures into it, and there's definitely something in the back. I'm looking at that right now.
Right now, the National Weather Service office is being hit.
Oh, damn.
Or no. It's, oh yeah, it is. Oh, here we go. It's going to be a long night.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Kentucky.
Yes!
Tornado watch. Kentucky. Tornado watch. Indiana. Kentucky.
I'm wide awake now. So our watch just got issued. Let's see it pop up here to see if it's where I said it would be. Because I don't think they're worried about the stuff down by Bowling Green. I think they're more worried about the stuff from about Munfordville up. Well, now would be a time to go to the Louisville video stream. Which you don't see anything. It's pointed right at it.
Tornado watch. Indiana. Kentucky.
And see, the Louisville one is on a tower cam. Oh wait, there's lightning. But the only thing that stinks about it being a tower cam is it gets covered in rain. Raindrops.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'll go back and look at that. My watches haven't updated yet. I'm going to have to go to this. Go to this.
I'm studying that twin tower cam from earlier. Real quick. There's a few points like right there in the very distance. There's something else that pops into my kind of. It's just lightning, so I'm slowing it down.
Copy. Alrighty. Now I need to go to here.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Indiana. Kentucky.
Yeah, the watches still haven't upgraded on my radar yet.
It's so hard to make out. That's actually something right there. I want to see it.
Where are you looking?
On that old camera that we were looking at with that
Oh,
footage.
okay.
Not recent. Oh, recent, but not current.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Kentucky.
Alright, let's go back over to the map real quick. Since I don't have to switch over and talk to her, she just figures she wants to text me. I was like, hey, that even works better. Sorry, women, man. You gotta do weather and women. It's just, if you don't do it both, it doesn't work.
Hopefully we don't lose the Louisville radar.
Tornado warning. Kentucky.
Let's see. Does this one... I just switched over to... what do you call it? The TSDF radar, which is the airport radar.
Yeah. Alright, let's go back to weather wise.
Yeah, dude, that...
I'm getting rid of Radar Omega. Radar Omega sucks. I'm getting rid of it. I'm sorry. Don't mean to talk bad on that. I know I'm on the team.
Oh, yeah. Possible tornado on the ground just northeast of the radar site.
And radar scope is just as bad because my spotter network don't show up. But
And
yes, okay, back to weather.
At that point, yeah, that's got to be on the ground, man. There's rotation right there, and it's 600 feet off the ground. I can't do correlation. I can't do SRF. It's just...
It's close, yeah. I see what you're saying. I see exactly what you're saying.
It's moving up 31W, crossing over 44.
Yeah. And you see a vertical share and everything. There's vertical share.
Oh yeah, that's oh man. If there's
That's gotta be on the ground there.
yeah, it's 600 feet. I mean that's nothing.
Oh, it's close.
Uh,
If it's not on the ground, it's close.
yeah, I was gonna say
Let's see if I find a tower cam. I'm trying to find a tower cam that I can try to hopefully see it.
if there's anybody on Weaver's Run Road south of Louisville, uh, Polly's Gap Road, Pendleton Road. Yeah, take cover like
Oh, you're
now.
flashing. You're flashing. You got a bunch of stuff flashing out there. Yes, they definitely need to take cover.
Yeah, take cover now.
Tornado warning. You have 2 tornado warnings. Redcliffe, and then you have one in
It's
Hodgenville, New
going
Haven,
to it's
Bradstone.
it's paralleling 31 heading north. It's gonna miss Valley Station by a hair. Yeah, Jeremy, if you're listening, you know what to do, man. Um, looks like it will probably go through Medora, Prairie Village. I don't even want to say that name of that little
Tornado warning.
that community
Kentucky.
on
Severe
the
thunderstorm
stream.
warning.
It's going to go through
Kentucky.
Penile.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
Yes, I said it.
Indiana.
It's going to miss
Kentucky.
Waverly Hills by
Severe
a hair.
thunderstorm watch.
Basically, it's
Kentucky.
heading
Ohio.
straight for the Louisville International Airport.
Mm-hmm.
Um, yeah. There actually might be a couple of them spinning up there. Because now there's two
Yeah.
more paths they're
Two
going to
more
take.
boxes.
What road? Bear Camp Road. Yeah, they're coming. Anybody in southern Louisville, just go ahead and take shelter if you haven't already. Anybody southwest of the airport. I think Angie's sister lives out there somewhere. That's also where
gonna
the
be some
UPS
heavy
plane.
hitting storms.
That's also where the UPS plane crashed. It looks to head
But it's
right
not
over.
going to hold out long.
I don't know. That's gone a little while. I mean,
Yeah, but it's moving so fast that it's good. As soon
oh,
as
it's not
it
going to
hits,
last. Yeah.
yeah, it
There's a
ain't
new
going to last long at all. That
new scan
tornado may
coming
stay
up.
on the ground, but in any one location, it's probably going to be 10 or 15 minutes of storm.
And it's almost to Shelbyville. Well, the storm's almost to Shelbyville. Let me go back to. They dropped the warning for Louisville. Dude, this shit's right. It's right there. Why would you do that? Yeah, the Louisville HazCam is looking right in that direction.
Tornado watch. Indiana. Kentucky. Severe thunderstorm watch. Indiana. Kentucky. Ohio.
Well, I don't see no power flashes or anything like that, so that's good. Hard to tell with all the freaking raindrops on the lens. Somebody put
No, not at all.
some windshield wipers up there or something. I mean, come on now.
Right. That would be perfect, but I'm not changing that wiper when they decide to break.
Okay.
I mean, good idea, but you would have to pay. If I would go up and do that, you'd have to pay me a lot of money just to climb a tower just to put a wiper on it. And the way that camera was moving, that wiper would be destroyed after every single storm.
Okay, new severe thunderstorm warning. 3/4 inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds. That includes Shelbyville. I want to stay here and watch this, keep watching this on radar, but at the same time, I want to get out there and.
I'm gonna go use the bathroom, and then I'll look at radar and keep the phone open.
All right.
When you said I have this opened where I could
Severe
let you know what it's
thunderstorm
doing?
warning. Kentucky.
I need to gather my laptop and shit up here. Oh look, my Twister DVD. Ugh. Why won't you come out of there? Oh, probably because I've got my pistol on the top of it. No. There we go.
There you go. Oh, I love it when my phone says typos. Especially when you're talking to a chick that you just now started talking to. And then you guys
Severe thunderstorm warning.
Come on.
Kentucky.
Alright. I'm gonna put my headset down and I'll be right back.
Alrighty. Let's see. Is this the charger? That is not the charger. Like I said, I should have had this done earlier today. I am being quiet. Ugh. Would your sister be up at this point? Because Louisville's under a tornado warning.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Indiana. Kentucky.
Because it's just south of the airport right now.
Yeah, I'm back.
Alright. I'm surprised. We went under a watch. And my phone didn't. It didn't do the
Severe
alert thing.
thunderstorm warning. Indiana. Kentucky.
let's see. New tornado warning. Moving northeast is 65, so measure. Okay.
Tornado warning. Kentucky.
It is exactly an hour away. Which I would want to get out there. I'll leave that right there. Oh, damn it. Okay. Once it hits that circle, I'm out. Okay, phone is fully charged. Plug that in. Yeah, this is going to turn into just a wind threat now. I did nail the timing of it down too, between 12 and 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get a look at the temperatures. Okay, 67 in Lexington, 46 in Tell City. That's 60, about 100 or so miles.
Tornado warning. Kentucky.
Shelby Hill just went under tornado warning. And Frankfort. Northeast is 65. Alrighty, I need this radio. And this radio.
Holy crap, my buddy found my watch I had.
Cool.
Whoa, I've been missing that one for a long time.
There's lightning within 40 miles.
That's it. $108 watch. Wait.
Louisville's winds are about 41 right now. Yeah, I think that bow's taking an aim right at me. I'm trying to think of a good place to go that looks west and is up high. You hear my lightning?
Yeah,
That beep.
I'm kind of actually liking what this woman's saying. She actually seems like a genuine, real person for once.
She actually sounds like a real woman.
I mean, she's not hiding anything, and she's being open, upfront and open.
That's always good.
You see, I ask questions, and I am a question person.
Here, give me her messenger, and I'll be like, hey, man, you're distracting my boy.
Now she gave me her regular phone number finally.
Oh yeah, I don't need that.
No, you won't get that.
Oh, why? Afraid I'll say something?
I mean,
No,
we don't need anybody mentioning
uncles.
we are. Yeah,
We don't need
I
to
was
talk.
gonna mess it. I was gonna spell her name out. But
Oh well, I was just gonna, keep it discreet. We don't want to mention anything about uncles.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Indiana.
Oh god, you just
Kentucky.
ruined your stream.
Severe thunderstorm
No, I didn't.
warning. Kentucky.
Makes it spicy.
Leave it up to me to make the weather talk go different.
During thunderstorms, they say if you hear a train. Oh wait, no, that's a real. Never mind, that's a real train. I'm hearing the woo woo and the clickety clack.
I'm gonna say, if you hear a train, it's gonna sound more like wind, but it's gonna sound like a train in a distance. But you'll be able to tell the difference between a train and
Oh,
a
I know.
tornado.
I've been up close and personal to an F4, so yeah, I know what they sound like.
Well, I don't even know that one in Harper, Kansas wasn't even rated because it didn't hit nothing. It was just in the field. But that one was big. You even said so on the radar yourself.
Oh yeah.
It is big. And that was at least a quarter-mile wide wedge tornado that we were paralleling to. And 140-mile-an-hour wind, 3,000 feet. By the time I got next to it, it was every bit, probably close to that at ground level.
Yeah. It's funny. I was watching videos of it was one of the tornadoes, I believe, in Illinois. And somebody sitting there, oh, just looking at it, that should have been marked at least an F4. It was like an F2. Or it might have been one before that. I don't know. There's some tornado, and all these people are talking, oh, it should have been this, it should have been that. It's like, y'all know it's done by damage. If it goes through a field and breaks nothing, it's an EFU. In other words, FU. You
Yeah,
know,
and that was unfortunate. I would have loved to know the rating of the storm that I was paralleling.
yeah, they're like, oh, they should go and do it on wind speed. It's like, well, you're gonna stand there and hold an anemometer up while the tornado rolls over you.
You goddamn straight I will.
Well, no, you'll just drive your Mustang into it with it on the spoiler back there.
Hey,
You're
it didn't go nowhere. I hit 70-mile-an-hour wind at
Severe
times. Well,
thunderstorm
or
warning.
no, step up 60, in
Indiana,
between 60 and 70-mile-an-hour
Kentucky.
wind. And over there at the Golden Eagle Ferry today, and it didn't go nowhere. It didn't budge. It won't. It no. My car will fly before that flies off.
well. Think of it this way: you've got a spoiler on the back; it'll push your front end down.
I ain't flying anywhere. Did she just say she's squishy? What?
What? Oh crap!
Severe thunderstorm warning. Indiana,
Okay, I'm getting ready to head on
Kentucky.
out.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
They just
Kentucky.
they just issued a severe thunderstorm warning from where the line is now, all the way to the Lexington County, all the way to the Fayette County line.
Southeastern Shelby County in central Kentucky, northeastern Nelson County in central Kentucky, Mercer County in central Kentucky, Woodford County in central Kentucky, southwestern Scott County in central Kentucky, Anderson County in central Kentucky, southeastern LaRue County in central Kentucky, northern Marion County in central Kentucky, Washington County in central Kentucky, southern Franklin County in central Kentucky, until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Taylorsville to 8 miles east of Bardstown to 10 miles southwest of Lebanon, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat.
I'll take it. That's right up to my doorstep, basically. Hey, hon, since that woke you up, it's going to do it again once I go to shut it off. It's this.
Can you not just shut it off so it don't do that, honey? I've got to go to work tomorrow.
It's a weather radar. Weather radar. It's a weather radio. You can't just shut it off. It does it.
Well, I'd like for somebody to have some sympathy for me.
Tornado warning. Kentucky.
I'm not the one doing it. So
Well, I mean, you could, like, unplug that or something.
then I got to reprogram it. It's a bitch. Oops.
You're still alive.
Yeah. It's this bottom half button here. So, well, right on the front of it, there's a big wide button on the bottom. It starts beeping, just push the button, and it shuts it off. Alrighty then. Yeah. Well, I'm impressed that's actually. Well, there's still some down south, but that's like the strongest part of the line so far. Well, now, anyway. But yeah, that loud beep is my lightning detector, saying there's lightning within 40 miles.
Let's check. Mm. I would say something, but yeah, on Facebook Live, I won't say nothing. She looks tasty.
There you go.
But you're not on Facebook Live, you're on YouTube Live.
Yeah,
Okay, then that's okay.
they're a little bit better about it.
Yeah. Jesus Christ. Is that wind? That's wind. Holy. Whoa. Holy. Oh, man. You hear that?
No. Oh, hey.
Shit. Windy.
Yeah, actually got a chat.
You do?
Yeah, a Shannon Lank 8220. Hello from North
Tornado
Carolina.
warning. Kentucky.
Hello from Kentucky. We're about to get hammered.
Finals. Move through the drive. Move here. Let's move a couple files real quick because apparently my was doing your 16-minute video of the radar. You took it out of my memory app. You're welcome. Oh, we have more wind out here right now than what we had
Oh,
during the thunderstorm.
I like that. I don't even have to have that thing running. And it's updating my banner at the top.
Low battery. My headset says low battery.
Mine goes, low battery, please charge. It says it 3 times, on the 3rd time it shuts off.
No, I still have oh, I still got 13%. Okay, whatever. That's me. Whoa, that was a crack. That was a tree cracking. I heard that. I know what that noise is.
Hopefully,
That was a tree crack. But
hopefully,
this time I had the Mustang away from everything. That was she's
oh wow, look at that wind shift.
These damn allergies never stop.
Alrighty. New tornado warning for Shelbyville.
Tornado watch. Indiana. Kentucky. Tornado warning. Kentucky.
Oh no, it's just a update message. Yeah, if you're in Shelbyville, you've got 6 minutes. Oh, let's see.
Oh, I can feel the sleet hitting my hand when I have my phone outside of my door, videoing this crazy wind. And you can't see the sleet because it's too windy, but you can feel it. You can really feel
Severe
it with the
thunderstorm
telephoto
warning.
lens.
Kentucky.
There, I've got another scanner too, and then I'll press mute on the mic here, and I'll just leave this thing running.
Yep.
And we've got 2 concurrent viewers. One is me, or I'm monitoring, and then somebody else. So hello there. Now to figure out my game plan on where I want to go.
I was hoping one of these trees don't come snapping.
I'm thinking maybe the Red Cross parking lot up on Newtown. That's up on a hill. I think you can see to the west. Oh yeah, for sure. You definitely see it from the south up there. Yeah, that's where I'll go. I don't know what that is.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe
It's
thunderstorm
freezing
warning
now.
for Shelby
This
County
lets you
and
know behind
central
that storm
Kentucky,
it's going to
with
be.
central Scott County and central Kentucky, Henry County and central Kentucky, northern Franklin County and central Kentucky until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:25 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Okay.
Did I believe earlier on this tower camera though? I believe I got some.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Kentucky. Severe thunderstorm warning. Indiana. Kentucky.
Alright, it's almost to my, Okay, tornado warning down there expires in 2 minutes. The severe warning that's right up next to me, 70-mile-an-hour winds, damage threat considerable, expires in 32 minutes. So, yeah,
Thank you, Adam Huffman. He's apparently following us on our page now,
oh, cool.
on the pages you created.
Tornado warning. Kentucky.
Oh, what?
I wonder.
Where's that tornado warning at? Hold on.
It's
I just heard it in the background.
it's an update.
That's coming
It's-
right towards, gonna go right above Nicholasville.
I think that was the one updating for Shelby County. It expires in 2 minutes.
But they don't have the tornado warning broad. It's a very isolated area. Oh yeah, Shelbyville's up high.
Yeah.
Bardstown is down low next to Springfield. That one still has a radar indicated possible tornado. It expires for 31 minutes. Damage is
Tornado
considerable.
Kentucky.
Let's see, do we have any cameras coming up? Let's see.
No. There's
No
only like
traffic cameras or nothing? Oh, yeah, that's fun.
There are. You got to go to the Kentucky DOT site and pull up the map and go from there.
Well, I can go over to, what the hell does that say? I can go over here to Moorhead and pull up the radar.
Yeah.
Names these towns. Sorry, guys, if you live in Moorhead, I'm sorry, but that's
It's a joke here. Yeah.
there
When I,
has to be a meaning
when
behind
I
it. But
first
okay, other than that, let's get back to weather a bit. Okay.
yeah, when I first came to Kentucky, that's one of the first signs you see coming down I-75. Or no, not Moorhead. That's a Moorhead's off to the. Yeah, never mind. I got confused.
Well, they're not getting anything yet.
The first sign I noticed in coming into Kentucky was up north, and it says Big Bone Lick State Park.
Interesting.
Mm-hmm. Alrighty. Latest scan has it crossing the threshold line, so I don't know. Do I want to shut the stream down and then maybe try to pick it up in the car?
Severe thunderstorm warning. Indiana.
That would be good. I can
Kentucky.
charge my phone for a couple minutes then.
Yeah, I'll try to do it that way. I don't know if I got OBS on this laptop, but I can do straight Facebook Live or YouTube Live through the
Yeah, I
cam.
mean, you had that orientation thing on your phone, right?
Oh, I don't need the phone.
Oh, you got the laptop with the web camera, don't you?
The laptop with the 4K camera.
That's badass. Okay.
So, all right, I'm going to shut this down. Yeah, basically anybody north and south of Shelbyville and to the west or to the east. Yeah, keep an eye on it because it's coming and it's coming quick. So, all right, with that, I'm shutting this down, and once I get down in the car and get everything set up, I'll probably jump on Discord.
Yeah, now I can just do that. And if
or
with
just
Discord, I can record off Discord. If your audio doesn't work, I can just put my phone for record, and I can record everything off Discord because Discord has that feature.
alrighty. Sounds like
I
a
already
plan.
even figured that one out. I should have done that earlier when we were talking. I didn't hit the record button though. That's what sucks.
Alrighty. Go ahead and close this down. I hate to do that, but you know, I gotta have my fun too.
Okay. We'll start it back up here in just a second.
Yep. Alrighty. Well, it's been fun. It's about to get more fun. So,
Alright, I'm gonna put my phone on the fast charger real quick, and we're gonna do that.
alrighty. Well,
Alright.
talk to you in a bit. And
Just a
everybody
couple
else,
minutes, really.
yeah, everybody else be watching because the live will be back up, and I'll be out and about, hopefully.
I mean, hopefully you get something.
Yeah, well, either way, I'll get something, but hopefully the stream will be back up one way or another. Oh yeah, it's coming quick. It's almost Lawrenceburg now. All right, I'm out. All right, catch you in a few.